How to play Fortnite split screen on Xbox. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll teach you on how to play Fortnite split screen on Xbox. It's a really quick and easy process, so follow along. You can play Fortnite split screen on Xbox with any consoles as long as you have a second controller. First, in the lobby, use the second controller, turn it on, and ensure that it's connected to your Xbox, either with a cable or wirelessly. It must be detected. You'll then have the option to link a user to the controller or use it as a guest. The controller must be detected in the lobby. Look for the option in the bottom right corner of the second player to log in by holding a specific button, like the A button. Once both players are in the lobby, start the game and look for the duos. If any issues arises, ensure the controller is detected, try a wireless connection or use a cable. As long as both players are in the same lobby, split screen will be set up automatically. So this was all about how can you play Fortnite on split screen on Xbox. I hope this guide helps you play Fortnite split screen on Xbox. If it does, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.